Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to clean up the garage and start on the K24. But yeah, we need to clean this all up because I want to work on the metal bench. And yes guys, I want to get stuck back into the Forester. Something I definitely want to get back into. Just stay tuned for that guys. Don't worry, I'll play with you soon. Alright guys, I've cleaned up just a little bit. Enough to stand here and work on the head. So I'm going to port the exhaust side first. So let's have a look. Rotate that around. It's all pretty dusty and dirty. We'll get the light in there and have a look. I don't think I'll be going far enough in to get the valves out. This is just practice guys. You can probably already see where I need to port it out to, or where I'm going to port it out to, should I say. Yeah, you can see where the soot has built up between the head and the exhaust. So the gasket is larger than it needs to be. So yeah, let's get the drill out and start making it bigger. I've actually started playing around with the settings on the GoPro, getting a lot better view there. Alright, so yeah, I'll start with this one. Obviously there's already a lot of crap in there from painting the skyline. Just get the drill ready. Hey guys, so I've got two bits. I'm going to start off with the big chunky one and move down to the skinny one. Do have a bit of material to get rid of, so it's about 10:30 at night, so it's not too loud. No, it's all good. Sorry about that. GoPro was having a bit of a fit. Yes, I should have a die grinder, air tool, which would be very loud. It's going to take me ages. I did the heads on the Forester, and I don't even know how long that took. It was like a week. I did videos on it. Go check it out. Alright guys, you're going to have to bear with me. We are going through a heat wave here in Melbourne. Today was 40, tomorrow's 42 degrees. We've got some pretty bad fires going on in Victoria, but nowhere near as bad as New South Wales. But it's what, 11:15 and it's still quite warm. Sorry, I'm just gonna take this stud out. Well, this is the nut that is for the exhaust, so that's alright that that's on there. This does end up being a pretty serious build. We'll end up swapping them out anyways. I don't know where it's going to take me. So. Alright, back to porting. That's better. So we've pretty much just done the outside there. I'm going to let the drill cool down for a little bit. Alright. This might be over a few episodes, guys. I'll just work on this one. I don't have any sandpaper at the moment. Sandpaper wheels to get in there to polish it. So I'll get in there with the skinny one. See how we go. Alrighty guys, I think that's all I'm going to do tonight. It is, well, I think it's only like 11:30, but I need the sandpaper wheels to actually smooth this out. And I'm not going to show you the other three because it's just going to be exactly the same. So I want to show you the finished product just on this port here. So pretty much get up bright and early, head down to Bunnings to get some of these sandpaper wheels, so I can finish that off because I want this episode to come out on New Year's Eve, so Tuesday. I definitely won't be able to get it all done tomorrow to get it edited and out for you guys, so tomorrow nice and early I'll get the sandpaper in there and polish it all out. Alrighty guys, we are back. So as I just showed you in the last scene, 60 grit, 40mm, 30mm, 60, 3120 and another 3120 and a tube brush. So we're going to get right up in there with that first. I'll just get in there. Alrighty guys, so this is pretty much when we're going to be taking off some material. Can't wait to see the comments on this episode. That's not how you port it. I've been porting for 40 years. That's not how you do it. I'll tell you now, it's one way to do it. I did actually a pretty good job when I did my EJ20 head. Ported that out quite well. I had all the valves out and went all the way. Averaged them up probably 5, 6 mil, like overall. And first time I did that, I wasn't doing YouTube, and I actually noticed a big difference. Going to change it out for the smaller one. That's pretty much had it. Alright, so I've got the 60 grit 30mm piece, which I just tested in there, and it fits down each runner. So yeah, it still looks like an exhaust. Yeah, when I did the Subaru one, had the valves out, and I went the other way as well. So I got the full run. Didn't measure how much I took it out, but I seated the valves and they all seated good and got good compression and no leaky valves. Oh, we're back. So I've used 60 grit, 40mm, 60 grit, 30mm to get in the runners. Now we're on to a 30mm at 120 grit. So to smooth it out a little bit more. I don't have a 40mm 120 grit, but hopefully this will smooth it out a bit. That should do it. I'm not going like I've said, I'm not going crazy, but I did pick up some polish. Righty guys, got a polishing wheel. I'll stick that in the drill, and I got some polishing compound. So it's for aluminium alloys. See if we can polish it up. Whoa, I haven't gone that far before. It's like polishing. Far out, that's smooth. Let's have a look. Alrighty. Polished. Look at the difference. I don't know if you can get it. There is struggling before and after. Size difference too. Alrighty guys, that is going to be it for this episode. I'm going to do the other 3 off camera. So I'm going to get all this onto the computer and start editing. Man, that's smooth. Thanks for watching guys. Have a safe and happy new year, and I'll catch you in 2020. Bye.